Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For those of you that are new to my channel, to the ones that are not new and are returning, thank y'all for returning because I know I have been very inconsistent, but hopefully my plan, my intentions. You know what? They say don't say your plans. You're just supposed to just show up and do what you're supposed to do. So we ain't even gonna speak on that. However, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this Jenna Collection HD 360 unit. They sent it over for me to try. I'm going to use some of the ESHA products to install my wig today. And let me tell y'all, that might be my new favorite lace spray to use, because when I say stuck, it was stuck. The wig was stuck, y'all, and I appreciate that. If I'm going to use a lace spray that says it's going to hold your wig in place, I want that, okay? So today's unit, like I said, is the Jenna Collection Melt 100% Human Hair Prime Unimax Wig. It has an HD 360 lace frontal. I have it in the color 2. This is also the spray I'm using. It's the ESHA Melt&Slay spray. It's a daily glueless lace spray. And as you can see where it says on the bottom, ultimate hold, it has a very good hold. And I really like that these come in full size and travel size, because this is the one that I'm going to throw in my travel bag when I'm going somewhere. I know I want this spray on me at all times, just even when you want to touch up your wig or when you're putting it on for the day. It is going to hold it in place. Like when I used it, I could feel the tackiness and I just knew it was about to hold it really well. And even when I took this wig off after filming, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I had to actually use a water bottle. I had to use a water bottle just to loosen it up a little bit to get it off. And me personally, I like that in a spray. If you don't, then it might not be for you. But if you do, definitely check out this spray. I'm gonna have it linked. If you hear some stuff in my background, please disregard it. It is my dog. He is literally attached to my hip, so every time he makes a noise, you can hear it. Anywho, this is the Lyra wig. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It looks super beautiful on the model. I saw this style and I knew that I wanted to try it in just like a natural color, so that's why I got it in 2. You can see what the inside of the unit looks like on the stock card on the packaging, which I appreciate. You can see how you have frontal space across your hairline and then frontal space going back. This unit also claims to be glueless, and yes, we are wearing it glueless as I mentioned earlier. So we're just gonna go ahead and get the unit installed, and I'll come back in a few minutes and tell you guys what I think about it. Now, this unit is versatile in terms of if you want to be a side part girl, middle part girl, even if you want to kind of pull it up and do a pulled up, half up, down look. But I feel like I normally do a lot of middle part styles on my channel, so I wanted to try a side part. I felt like it would look sleek for the look I was going for. So I gave myself a right side part, and I also cut it a little bit at the front to kind of give me a little edge effect. I like how that looks. I could have added a little bit more mousse though, or a little bit of glue there just to hold it in place, but it still looks good. So this unit is full, in my opinion, like full to my standards. I like for my units to be just enough full. I don't like them overly full because it makes me feel like my head is heavy. It also makes me feel like there's just too much hair on my neck. And also it can make it look a little too wiggy if it's too full. So we got to have just like a little sparseness in there, and I feel like it did. I feel like it was big head friendly. I didn't braid my hair down underneath this, and I was still able to get the wig on my head perfectly. I did have to go in and add some makeup to that part space, and I do think like tint spray or bronzer powder or contour powder, bronzer, whatever you use, cream bronzer on the lace is going to be necessary because it was a little bit light. Like I didn't put it on and it just like blended right into my skin. So just make sure you have some of that on hand if you are my skin tone and planning to purchase this wig and install it. I use my hot comb to kind of pre-style it to make sure it stays down and get it flat against the root. But the rest of it, I want it to stay big and voluminous. So I didn't do too much to the rest of the hair besides just brushing out the curls. And then this is the final look with the right side part. So you guys let me know what you think about it in the comments. I give it a 9 out of 10. I will definitely be wearing this unit more. I'm going to pack it in my bag for my trip, and I will be wearing it to work as well. Thank you to Janet Collection for sending the unit over. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for still being here. Thank you to the new subbies and the returning subbies. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.